Hey, so this is going to be the Final Fantasy VI Terra's theme on the accordion. I have the recording here, I think from the original video game. We'll try and figure it out on the accordion. Let's figure out the G sharp minor. Okay, not a great chord, but let's play with it. I'm gonna start figuring out the left hand and then slowly figure out the melody. So right, so we're going from the G sharp minor too much. G sharp minor to the E flat minor. The fifth. Da da da. Da 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 da. Let's keep going. Major. So we went. We're in B major. And again, what we did there was we traversed. We went. It's hard to visualize when it's in a foreign key like G sharp minor because we're going G minor to E flat minor, G sharp minor to E flat minor to the B major. Very nice. I'm not used to playing B major down here. I'm used to the B major being up here, right? So we could play the song. Maybe I'll switch to up there. E. So to F sharp major, F sharp major. C sharp minor to G sharp minor. So the chords of the song, G sharp minor, that's our root, that's grounding the song. We have the minor fifth, E flat minor. We have the minor 4, F sharp minor, C sharp minor. We have an F sharp major, and we have a B major. So become familiar with the song. Come on. I'll keep listening. One recommendation is to transpose the song half a key up or half a key down. So instead of G sharp minor, A minor. etc. Let's go back to the G sharp minor. It's just harder to orient myself. Let's keep listening. Da da da. Repeat. Good. I think the song repeats. Beautiful, right? We come back to that B major. Twice. Etc. So, really fun song in a not very fun key, but that should give you some guidance as to how to practice it and how to learn it. Thank you. Have a nice day.